What present should we give her? Why is it always so hard to give presents to someone you love?
Because we want something special for Samantha.
Yes, but what? Samantha loves surprises.
There must be something in here.
Sam, are you okay?
I know! I'll give her this hat.
But Sammy, it's too small for Samantha.
Then, I've got an idea. We'll fly over Samantha holding a poster saying, Samantha, we love you! And then we'll start fireworks up in the air! Boom, boom, boom!
I'm afraid that'll be too expensive, and we don't have a license to pilot a plane.
Then we'll simply throw flowers at Samantha when she comes out of the house. We'll order a truck full of flowers.
I like that you think and dream big, Sammy, but do understand, a surprise doesn't have to be expensive. It can be very simple. The most important thing is that it's unexpected.
Like a poem? Right, I'll write a poem for Samantha.
Actually, I was going to suggest making a present together.
No, I have to go get creative. See you later.
Hi, everyone. Sam and I decided to make a present for Samantha.
'Cause we love her.
The base of our present is made of cardboard. Mind that the size of the outer rectangle is 5.5 by 7 centimeters. And this is the size of the inner rectangle. Simple. Now we just need to cut the frames out of this piece of cardboard. Be careful, guys. The cutter is very sharp.
Let me think. Samantha. It rhymes with Pink Panther.
I guess so. And we have 2 wonderful frames ready.
What are your frames to me, so if my art can't possibly fit into them?
I have no idea what he's talking about. Now we're going to need colored paper.
Did someone say colored paper?
Yep, I cut out 4 parts. 5.5 centimeters wide and 7 centimeters long.
It's the size of your frame.
Your memory is great, Mr. Poet.
Speaking about my talent, it's high time I got started on a poem for Samantha. Well, let's see. Roses are red, so are your eyes. No, it's not gonna work.
There we go. Beautiful. They look like that painting. What's it called? Black square. Only we have a black rectangle. I guess Sam infected me with art talk.
It's all wrong! Wrong! Why is writing poems so hard?
Sammy, are you very busy?
I suppose you're going to ask me to fetch this?
Wow, Sammy, well done. It's Samantha's favorite color.
Of course, it's Samantha's favorite color. Did you doubt me or something?
Me? Never. I fully trust your taste, Sammy.
Now that's better. Everyone knows how easy it is to hurt artists' feelings.
By the way, Mr. Artist, how is your work going?
Oh, don't you worry, Sue. It's gonna be a modern poetry masterpiece. I promise.
So intriguing. I can't wait to hear your poem.
And to make sure you aren't bored, I brought you this.
Thank you, Sammy. Each square is 9 by 9 centimeters, right, Sammy?
That's how I cut them out.
Now we're going to draw several lines.
It looks pretty boring.
Sammy, I never thought you'd be spying on me. We need this part for our craft.
Yeah, that's boring. I thought we were going for something super awesome.
Just you wait, and you'll see it all for yourself.
Wait, what are you doing and why does it look like origami?
You got interested. I fold the paper following the lines I drew on it to get one little square as the result. Here it is.
Oh.
Well, it's time to put all this beauty together. So, guys, we'll be working with small parts here.
Boring.
What am I gonna do with you, Sammy? Huh?
Well, for one, you could listen to my wonderful poem, because it's ready.
Really, it is? Already? I've always found it amazing how fast you work, Sam. I'd love to hear it. Just give me a second, okay, to arrange everything neatly here.
You're running the risk of missing the beginning, Sue.
Coming, Sam.
So, ladies and gentlemen, here's a poem devoted to Samantha. It's my present for her. Roses are red, penguins are cold, I don't like bread. You shine like gold. Oh, what do you think, Sue?
Well, how should I put it?
What does that mean, Susie?
You're right, I should speak openly. I like that Samantha shines like gold in your poem, but I just don't get it. What do penguins and bread have to do with it? I mean, it's a poem about Samantha.
Oh, my feta, do I really have to explain it all? Penguins are cold, they're suffering. Bread tastes foul, while Samantha, on the contrary, is beautiful like gold. It's simple.
Okay. Maybe I didn't fully get the deep meaning of your poem. Why don't we ask for the opinion of our viewers on this? Hey guys, what do you think about Sam's poem? Comment and tell us.
They must understand poets better than you.
Sammy, where are you going?
To the land of misunderstood poets.
Maybe he'll cheer up when he sees the finished present for Samantha? The land of misunderstood poets. Does that even exist? By the way, be careful with the scissors. They can be very sharp. So, all we need to do is cover these two flaps with black paper. This way, our box looks even more mysterious, doesn't it? We'll do the same for the second flap. I wonder how Sammy's doing over there. Is he still hurt because I didn't appreciate his creative work? Creative people are so vulnerable. You probably understood by now that our box opens on both sides. Now we'll need a coin. You want to know what for? Give this video a thumbs up and keep watching.
Sue?
Sammy, I'm so glad to see you. You're okay?
Yeah, I thought that I'd have time to write many more cool poems, but today I wanted to help you with the present for Samantha.
Oh, I'm very glad that you chose to do that, Sammy. I'm sorry that you got upset because I didn't understand your poem.
It's nothing. Don't even think about it. I've still got a million ways to surprise you. Anyway, what's all this about? I think I missed it and don't know how it actually works.
Then it's showtime.
Showtime!
As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, it's absolutely empty. Ladies and gentlemen, a coin. And now, a little magic. Alakazam, alakazoom! Voila!
It can't be! Where is it?
Alakazam, alakazoom, let the coin back in a womb! And watch closely. Ta-da!
What? How does it work?
I think Sammy and I made a great present for Samantha here. Thanks for joining us today, everyone. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and remember, we love you!
Yes, but how? Wait, am I the only one not really understanding how it works? No, Sue!